Hello everyone, my name is Kaann and I am the creative director and owner at Celebrate 3D Event Renders. We are a 3D event rendering program specifically for event planners just like you. So guys, today is the last day, today is the end of this takeover. It has been such a blast to be here. Thank you, Jordy Ann, once again for this amazing opportunity. Hopefully I will be back. Will I be back, Jody? I hope so. Because I have so much more to show you guys. But today's video is just going to be short and sweet. It's going to be just showing you guys exactly what you can do with the software program, what you can create. Yes, I'm just going to show you some videos of the renders. Make sure that you did sign up to the wait list down below using the link down below. And of course, we will let you know as soon as we launch. So make sure that you are on that list. And until next time, have an amazing time, guys. Bye.